Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Renee here again. Now I saw this store, Casa Decor and Things in Alpha Tree. Actually I saw the sign and I said let me head on in to check out what they have in store. Now so far I'm seeing some beautiful stuff. It seems like the store is recently opened and they are stocking it out, but I'm just going to share with you a few stuff in here that they have that you might love. They have some lovely pieces from different brands. When I'm looking at these stuff, I'm seeing that they shop different stores overseas and they bring the stuff here just to make our life a little easier so we don't have to shop online. So if you're interested, you can head on to Halfway Tree right across the transport center where the Taste's is and come and check out this store upstairs. You might love some little pieces here that they have, and some of the prices aren't really bad. For example, this little flower pot with the succulent there, the white one, it's only $1,750. They have different pieces, different decor pieces. I'm just going to stop the talking now and just share with you the beautiful stuff that they have. Remember, if you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you want home decor, room makeover tips and tricks, DIY shopping videos, anything for the home, you get here. So I hope you continue watching and I hope you enjoy this video. See you at the end.
Started with one day, thought that that's all it was. Thought it would end up like it usually does. All the things you do make me feel it's confusing. I don't really know what I'm doing. All I know, this ain't nothing. Should we stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. usually does. This ain't nothing, we've got something. All I know, all I know. This ain't nothing, we've got something. All I know, oh, all I know, all I know, all I know. This ain't nothing. Should we stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. All I know is we've got something.
You can let me know down in the comment what are the pieces you like, and also share with me which piece is your favorite piece. Thank you again for watching. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. Please comment down below where else you would want me to visit next. Thank you again.